Salata. I'm so excited to see all these happy faces back where they belong at school.
And I'm Spandana. A warm welcome to each student, teacher and staff member. Welcome to a brand new academic year. Welcome back to school 2025.
The classrooms missed your laughter, the hallways longed for your footsteps, and today our school feels complete again.
Absolutely, Salata. After a refreshing break, we return full of energy, dreams, and determination to make this year our best yet.
To begin this beautiful day, let's take a moment to thank the Almighty of these new beginnings. Please join us for the school prayer.
Mira and Nidhi for the pledge. A reminder of our values and responsibilities as proud students of this institution.
Everyone, now it's time to invite the guiding light of our school, our respected principal, Atia Sultana ma'am, to share a few inspiring words.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, children?
Hi, ma'am.
Today I stand in front of you with immense pleasure to welcome you all after a long summer vacation. I hope everyone had a great time in the holidays. Did you enjoy holidays, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Did you remember us in the holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. That's the link. That is the connection between you and the teacher. As we reopen the school today with full fledged, let's start with strong mindset, okay, determined energy and positive attitude towards learning and growing together. To my children, to my students, really we missed you a lot. We too remembered you in the holidays. Every time and every second we remembered you during the holidays. So it went on and the day has come to meet you. Really, it's a great pleasure for us to see your smiling faces, your laughter and your curiosity. And that makes us rich feeling as a teacher. And as we start this academic year is nothing but a new change. It's a chance for a new change to aim higher, achieve greater, work harder. And all this we'll do like previous years. This year also will make this year also a wonderful year which will never be forgotten for years long. As you know that the students who have studied from our school, they come to us with flying colors and they say that we have achieved our goal because of you people. So it's a great moment for as a teacher, it's a great moment for us. When you come forward with different achievements, it's a great moment, proud moment for us. So all this is possible not only with you, not only with us. It's all the efforts of the teachers who are behind you in every corner, in every problems you have, and they'll be always behind you to explain you, to eagerly wait for your questions and to eagerly answer them. So what I mean to say is, without the dedicated, hard-working teachers, it was really impossible for us to get the achievements. Really, I'm wholeheartedly thankful to all the teachers who are here, who are working with us since many years, who has made us proud and who has made the school standard maintain the same standard for years long. Thank you, and I welcome you all for this academic year 2025-26. All of you are ready for the excitement?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You come with the same pace, children. If you have anything to express, come forward. Because you are studying in English medium school, you have to come forward for each and everything. Do not keep your mind stressed. Make your mind free. Keep your mind free so that noble thoughts will enter in your mind and make you great person. Okay, great citizen, great individual. Thank you. I welcome you all once again for this academic year 2025-26. Thank you.
A motivating message. Truly, each day is a new page. Let's fill it with hard work, kindness, and courage.
Let's set our goals high, support one another as we grow together academically, emotionally, and creatively.
So, students, tighten your shoelaces, sharpen your pencils, and bring on your brightest smiles.
Because the journey of 2025 begins now.
Welcome back to school 2025.
Let's make it joyful, meaningful, and truly unforgettable.